Ever wondered how to make your data stage jobs more adaptable? Well, passing column names as parameters is like giving them a superpower. It lets us dynamically select columns, making jobs more flexible. Plus, it saves a ton of manual effort, no more hard coding every little change. Best of all, automation becomes a breeze. No one likes repetitive tasks, right? Let's make DataStage work for us, not the other way around. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's talk about DataStage Parameters, the unsung heroes of ETL jobs. Instead of hard-coding values, we use parameters to make jobs dynamic. That means reusability is top-notch. One job can fit many environments without extra effort. Think of it like an adjustable wrench in your toolkit. It fits every bolt without needing to swap tools. No more headaches over changing configurations. Why pass column names as parameters? Simple, it makes our data stage job smarter. Instead of fixing column names in stone, we let them change dynamically. That means less work when modifying jobs and way smoother scalability. Debugging, way easier when you can switch values on the fly. Think of it like making a playlist instead of burning a CD. You don't have to redo everything just for one change. Data stage parameters come in different flavors, each with a unique role. Job parameters let us define custom values per job. A parameter sets, great for reusing related values without redundancy. Environment variables manage global settings, while user-defined variables allow specific customization. It's like having different types of keys, each opens the right lock effortlessly. Configuring runtime parameters is like setting the rules for a well-organized event. We define parameters based on runtime needs. This ensures flexibility. Default values act as a safety net so the program doesn't panic. Using environment variables helps maintain adaptability across environments. And remember, always validate parameters before execution to avoid unnecessary surprises. Passing parameters via the command line is like handing over secret instructions before a mission. Using the right syntax ensures they get interpreted correctly. Proper formatting saves you from those dreaded error messages. It's always smart to test different input scenarios, don't just assume it works. And hey, never underestimate the power of help documentation, it's there for a reason. Using parameters in the sequential file stage is like giving directions to a delivery person. You need precise locations. Define parameters for file paths dynamically so they adjust as needed. Correct data types prevent unexpected hiccups. Runtime variables bring in adaptability, and optimizing queries ensures you're not fetching unnecessary data, because efficiency is key. When using parameters in a database connector stage, think of it as fine-tuning a recipe. You want perfect results. Dynamic queries ensure flexibility. Keeping database security tight prevents unauthorized access. Nobody likes data leaks. A query optimization speeds up processing, and gracefully handling parameter changes keeps the workflow running smoothly. No one likes sudden surprises. Best practices for parameter usage are like guidelines for a successful project. Naming parameters meaningfully avoids confusion down the road. Hard coding is like locking a door and losing the key. Avoid it for flexibility. Testing parameters in different conditions ensures they behave as expected. And proper documentation saves you from future headaches. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And troubleshooting parameter issues is like being a detective. You need to look for clues. Error logs are your best friend. Always verify if the correct values are being passed. Debugging runtime behavior helps pinpoint what went wrong. And having fallback defaults, that's your safety net when things go sideways. Wrapping up, parameters are like the secret sauce that makes processes efficient and adaptable. Using them correctly ensures smooth execution without hiccups. Following best practices helps avoid pitfalls before they happen. And troubleshooting skills, those keep everything running like a well-oiled machine. Master parameters and you'll master execution. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.